In a deep green jungle, where sunlight danced on leaves like liquid gold, lived an enormous elephant named Bhuvan. He was strong, he was gentle, but he was blind. He had lost his sight at a young age after falling into a thorny bush while protecting a baby deer. The deer lived, Bhuvan's eyes did not. And ever since, he felt like his size meant nothing. He would whisper to the wind, "Of what use is strength if I cannot even see the world I live in?" Years passed. Animals stopped asking him for help. He sat near the river quietly, listening to the water's lonely song. One winter evening, while the fog settled on the ground like a sleeping blanket, something tiny crashed into Bhuvan's leg. It was a sparrow, shivering, with a wing bent awkwardly. Bhuvan asked softly, "Little one, are you hurt?" The sparrow winced. "A hawk attacked me. I tried to fly, but my wing—" She could not finish. Without thinking, Bhuvan lifted her gently with his trunk and warmed her near his ear. For the first time in years, someone needed him. Days turned into weeks. The sparrow, whose name was Pia, slowly healed. She sat on Bhuvan's back, described sunsets to him, and told stories of the world above the trees. "You know," Pia chirped one afternoon, "just because you can't see the world doesn't mean the world can't feel you." Bhuvan laughed gently. "What can a blind elephant give a broken sparrow?" She replied, "A home." Those words found an empty space in his heart and filled it. One night, as crickets sang and the jungle slept, Bhuvan suddenly lifted his head. He felt it, a strange shaking in the ground, soft at first, then stronger, faster, deeper. Pia woke up, confused. What happened? Bhuvan's voice trembled. "Something is coming, not from the sky, not from the water, the land itself." The ground cracked. Far away, trees fell like matchsticks. It was a landslide, a massive one, heading toward the sleeping jungle. The animals panicked. No one knew what to do. They could not see danger in the dark. Only Bhuvan, the blind one, could feel the vibrations. He shouted, "Follow my voice! Run to the riverbank!" "But how do you know?" cried the monkeys. "Because when the sight was taken from me, God gifted me something else." There was no time to argue. Everyone followed. Bhuvan guided them step by step. His voice was the only map in the dark. The landslide thundered behind them, crushing everything in its path. But the jungle animals reached the riverbank, safe. When the sun rose, the damage was clear. Half the jungle lay destroyed, but its living souls were saved because of the one who once thought he was useless. The animals gathered around him and bowed their heads. The monkey said, "We used to see your blindness." The deer added, "We never saw your gift." Pia flew to his head, her wing fully healed, and whispered, "If I had never fallen, I would never have met you. And if you could see, maybe you would never have heard what others could not." Bhuvan smiled, tears falling silently. For the first time, he wasn't a blind elephant. He was the protector. Every weakness hides a strength. Every pain hides a purpose. And every person, no matter how big or small, is needed by someone in ways they cannot yet see.